morning, bird brains, and welcome back to the Dyna build series, episode 4. Today's video is going to be a little light. You'll get that joke in a second. Today we are bringing on a brand new sponsor for the episode, somebody that I've been very excited to work with, a pretty big name in the Harley industry. Today we're going to be installing the Ciro 3D Bluetooth LED lights. Now do you get the joke? Today's episode is going to be light. So yeah, Ciro 3D was nice enough to send me out this kit to put on the Dyna to show you guys all of its awesome capabilities. So let's get to work. Alright, so sorry for the lack of an update for a little while. When I'm done with electric stuff, I tend to get too focused on it, but... Alright, so let me go ahead and show you what we got so far. Alright, so I got the seat off, both side panels off. Have this wired up here. I did test it to make sure that this panel will fit with this fuse sitting in here like that. My initial plan is to do one running left, one running right, and then I'm also going to do 2 around the headlight, similar to how it is on the Sportster. It'll be mounted one here on the left, one here on the right, and it'll kind of give it that aura from the back, so that should be pretty cool. I tried putting them here in the vents, and they fit, but since it's so close to the glass, it doesn't really glow. You just see a bunch of little red lights. Kind of look cool, but not sure if it's something I would want to run. I liked the way it looked around the headlight a lot better, so probably going to stick with that. But it did give me a good idea for some turn signals later down the line, because there is just enough room to fit like an LED strip, so might be looking into something like that. But other than that, pretty much all I have left to do is to actually attach the strips to the bike, wire everything up, and make everything look pretty, which is very unappealing on video. QB. Okay, dude, seriously. Alright, so I'm gonna get to work, try to make this look as cool as I can for you guys. And then after that, later tonight, I'm actually gonna take it out and get some shots of it at night. So let's get back to work. So there you have it, folks, the shock and awe kit by Ciro 3D. Of course, as always, I'm going to leave a link to this specific product down in the description. Head over to Ciro 3D, let them know Bike and Bird sent you. Please, guys, help them help me. If you have any questions whatsoever about the installation or the features or anything like that, please go ahead and leave them down in the comment section below and I'll answer them as soon as I possibly can. If you like this video, please hit that like button. It does do a ton for the channel. If you haven't hit that subscribe button already, I highly suggest you do so. I put out at least 3 videos every single week. Other than that, guys, I've got nothing else for you. I'm hot and sweaty. I need to go take a shower. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time.